In my truck right now because my wife is in the house and she is really, really upset with me. And that's because last night I cheated on her. In her dreams. That's right. I didn't physically make contact with another woman. I did it in her head. You see, last night we was in bed and we was asleep and all of a sudden I feel her going. And then I hear her scream, "I hate you!" And I was like, well, that's interesting, you know. So this morning, I wake up at 6:30 like I do every morning. I walk around to her side of the bed, and I tap her on her knee. And I say, "Baby, it's time to get up." And she goes, "Don't touch me." I'm like, okay, maybe she's just ill. She ain't no morning person. So I said, okay, I'm going to go to the bathroom. I'm going to do my thing, and I'm going to come back out, and I'm going to try to wake her up again. So I walk back out of the bathroom, I tap her on her back. I say, "Baby, it's time to wake up." And she gets up and she throws a shoulder into me as she is walking into the bathroom. And I'm like, okay, I don't know what's up with her, but I'm going to go into the kitchen and cook some breakfast and make her some coffee to see if it's just a caffeine issue. So I go into the kitchen, I'm cooking the breakfast. Well, I can hear her stomping from the bathroom all the way to the kitchen because, you know, that's what y'all women do when you're mad. You want to stomp like a T-Rex to let us men know that something's wrong with you. So she comes stomping in there, and I was like, okay, I'm going to do it. I'm going to open the can of worms. I might regret this, but I said, "What is wrong with you?" And she looked at me and she said, "Last night, you cheated on me." And I was like, "Baby, I was in the bed with you. I got home at 9:30. You've seen me all day. How was I cheating on you?" She said, "Oh, no. You cheated on me in my dreams." I cheated on you in your dreams? She's like, "Oh, yeah. I walked in on you, and you were standing right here, and you was making out with the waitress that we had at that restaurant last week. You remember the brunette with the blonde highlights?" It's like, "No, I don't remember. I don't even remember what I ate at that restaurant. I don't remember." And she's like, "Oh, well, you was making out with her, and you was grabbing her butt." And I was like, "So you're mad at me because I cheated on you in a dream?" And she said, "Oh, yeah. And I was like, "Well, what do you want to do? You want to go to marriage counseling? You know, I've been faithful to you for 7 years in reality, but because I cheat on you in a dream, now you want a divorce?" And she was like, no. She was like, "But I do want you to apologize." I was like, all right, so let me get this straight. You want me to apologize for cheating on you, not in reality, not in the real world, but in your dream? And she said, yeah, that'd make me feel so much better, and it would help me regain my trust in you if you told me that you're sorry. Your trust in me? Are you kidding me right now? Fellas, I'm going to tell you, prepare yourselves, because it's going to happen to y'all. Every woman has a dream that her man cheats on her. So one of these days, y'all going to be out in your truck contemplating on what you should do. Whether you should go and apologize or if she's going to serve you divorce papers because you cheated on her in her dream. God bless y'all. I love you.